Hello kids, how are you? Today we will talk about our family. So, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Now listen and repeat. This is my father. This is my father. So, who's this? This is my father. Now, listen and repeat. That is my mother. That is my mother. So, who's that? That is my mother. Now listen and repeat. This is my brother. This is my brother. So, who's this? This is my brother. Now listen and repeat. That is my sister. That is my sister. So, who's that? That is my sister. Now listen and repeat. This is my grandpa. This is my grandpa. So, who's this? This is my grandpa. Now listen and repeat. That is my grandma. That is my grandma. So, who's that? That is my grandma. Now we are finished. I hope you like it. See you.